video, I'm just going to do a really quick demonstration of how to use a USB adapter with your iPhone or your iPad so that you can use a Lily of the Valley USB stick like one of these and import the images and use them on pages on your iPhone or your iPad. Basically, what you need is one of these. This is a USB adapter that I just bought on Amazon. It was about $8.99, I think, but you can kind of get them anywhere. What you need to make sure you're getting is one that has the end that is the same as the charging cable for your phone, which basically plugs in to here, into there, like that. And then the other end, you've got to make sure, is a USB kind of, I think it's called the female bit. It is the one that you actually then put a USB stick into. So don't get one with a USB end that looks like that. You want the kind of hole that the USB goes into. And then once you've got one of those, if I just line that up again, you basically just get your USB stick and you plug it into there, like that. And that's basically your stick connected to your iPhone or your iPad. So then, let's turn that way. If you want to go into Pages and use the images on it, open Pages and then choose Create Document. If you haven't watched my other video, which shows you how to edit and resize everything, I would say give it a watch, because on this one, I'm just basically going to show you how to import the images. If you want to know how to use them, edit them, make them bigger, smaller, everything. If you do watch my other video, it's quite detailed and I do show you on there what to do. But for this one, I'm basically just going to show you how to import everything from your stick. So I've just opened a blank document and then I'm just going to go to the plus sign here, which is saying I want to add something to my document. Choose Insert From at the bottom down there with the little file next to it. And then here, I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can, it says Browse. If you click backwards and keep going backwards until you get to all these different options here, and you'll see your iCloud drive, your iPad, all that, you will see here one that looks a bit like a USB stick that says no name. That's the Lily of the Valley stick. So if you click on that, this is everything that is now on the USB stick. So when you open it, you'll see the easy print sheet for the stamps. And then these are the stamps, the simply print, easy print sheets for those, and then all the sentiments and the messages. So basically, if I want to open one of the images, I just click on that, choose the image, and in it comes. So basically, this is now the image imported into my document. I will just go to document setup, turn the document body off again, which converts it to a canvas page and then makes this really, really easy to move around and resize. So that's that. And then if I want to insert a sentiment to go with it, plus again, insert from again, and then go back and choose the sentiments at the end. And then bring that one in, shrink it down, and it's ready to go. And that basically is everything that you need to know of how to use and import any of the images on one of the Lily of the Valley sticks and use it in Pages on your iPhone or your iPad.